everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share a glam Christmas bedroom makeover. I'm going to take some inexpensive items and give them a makeover for my master bedroom. I hope you enjoy. I'm going to start off with these two beautiful French provincial mirrors that I picked up from Facebook Marketplace. Now, I absolutely love the detail in these, but I wanted to give them a little makeover with some spray paint. Now, a handy tip that I used here, guys, that I can pass on to you was I was trying to find some newspaper in the house to cover up the mirrors, but I didn't have any at the time. So I actually used some old contact paper. This was really easy to do. I didn't have to use any sticky tape, and I just placed it down on the mirror, and it was easy to peel back off once I spray painted the mirrors. Now, once I'd taken everything off, I went in with some glass cleaner and some paper towel just to wipe down the mirror.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday.
Once it was clean, I then started on the second mirror as well.
'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh.
So once I'd finished the mirrors, I moved on to my second DIY. Here I am in my bedroom with my mantle. Now, this mantle was a thrift store find, guys, that I painted white, and I added those marble peel and stick tiles. But today I decided that I wanted to give it another makeover and paint my mantle black. Now, starting from the top, I ended up giving the mantle 4 coats, guys. It really needed it, but I'm so happy with how it came.
And I lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play.
Now, here's a clip of the first and second coats, but I was so happy that I went in with the 4th coat, guys. Surprisingly, this took a lot of paint to cover the white, but I was so happy with the result. So now it was time to decorate, and I loved all my purchases from TK Maxx, guys. This Believe Christmas cushion is so beautiful, and I loved it with this throw. This black and grey throw is so cozy and so soft, guys, and I knew that it would make the perfect touch to my bedroom makeover. Now, also from TK Maxx, guys, was this adorable little Greek goddess statue. I absolutely love this so much, and I decided to use that on my mantle. If you remember from my previous haul, I also picked up this beautiful boho Christmas tree, and I absolutely love the stand on it, guys, because it's marble.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire, Chelle.
Now, to add some coziness to my bedroom, I picked up recently these beautiful knitted cushions from Pottery Barn. Now guys, Pottery Barn are a little bit high end in their prices, but I cannot recommend them enough when it comes to quality. You always know the saying, you pay for what you get. These are truly beautiful cushions. They're so well made. When you flip them over, they've actually got fur on the back, and they're so pretty and so cozy in my bedroom.
And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big and small. And now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here.
Now, Megan Heiss has just released her latest book, guys. It's the Christian Dior Beautiful Illustrations. I absolutely love this book and I was so excited to see it in my local Big W. And I knew it would go perfect under my Greek goddess bust.
Snowflakes fall, I can hear the sleigh bells call. They're saying it's time to have a merry.
Now with my mirrors, I wanted them to go behind my nightstands. So what I've done here is I've just added a little hook and I'm going to place some Christmas wreaths in the middle.
And Christmas is my favorite time of year.
Now on my bed, I added this beautiful rattan round tray. I picked this up from Spotlight a few months ago, and I'm going to add this adorable little house that I picked up from Eureka Street Furniture, as well as this white Christmas tree, which is from Kmart. It actually comes in a set of 3. And I'm also going to use this wooden chain that I recently picked up from TK Maxx.
What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it.
Now above my bed I hung this beautiful wreath, which was also from my haul from TK Maxx. I absolutely love this, guys. I love that it has that little bit of a shimmer about it, but I could actually use this wreath all year round. Now on my mantle I'm going to add this little reindeer as well as another white Christmas tree. So giving another little hint of cozy, I got these Kmart star string lights and I'm going to drape them across the top of my bed. Now, one of my favourite things I found on Amazon, guys, are these timed flicker lights. Now, these are the most beautiful flicker candles, and I was actually recommended by my sweet friend Liz here on YouTube from her channel Traditions by the Seasons. Now, if you watch Liz's channel, she decorates with these candles right throughout her home, and I was so excited because they actually have a timer on them, and they can come on 2 hour, 4 hour. You don't have to worry about going around the house and turning all your lights on. You can actually time them and program them. And I decided that I'm going to use these inside this lantern that I have. Now, giving that a little bit of a glam sparkle, I have this dollar store glitter bow, which I just tied to the top. I ended up not using every single candle in here, but I just love the grouping that I put together. Now on my floor, guys, I recently got a new rug. I was so excited. I really love it when I find a bargain, guys, and I happened to be in Bunnings and they had quite a few rugs just on a trolley, and they were originally $199, but they were marked down to just $49, and I knew this beautiful soft one would be the perfect colour for the neutral theme that I was going for. Guys, I'm so incredibly happy with painting this mantle black. I must admit I was really hesitant at first, but I kept looking at Pinterest and all these amazing black mantles, and this mantle is quite large, so I didn't want to overwhelm the space, but I feel like it just ties in so much better in the black colour. I'm also extremely happy with my Facebook Marketplace mirrors. I love finding things on Marketplace, guys, and be able to give them something as simple as a can of spray paint to give them a new look. So guys, I just wanted to let you know that this will be my final video for 2021. It is Christmas Eve here in Australia right now, so I just wanted to take the opportunity to thank each and every one of you who have subscribed, liked, shared and watched my videos. There are so many beautiful people out there that take time out of their day to write to me, send me messages. I truly appreciate each and every one of you, and I send you so many blessings for this Christmas season. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you've been inspired by decorating my bedroom for Christmas. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back in 2022 with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chell's Glam Home. until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching. Merry Christmas!